Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get your own camera input using nothing but your phone, a USB cable, and your PC. That's right, just 3 things. So, what you want to do is, first of all, you want to head over to the Camo Studio website. Yes, that is what I'm currently using. I have it open, I do not need to reopen it. I'm using Camo Studio 2.7.4. For any one of you wondering, I'm using the free version, which gives you access to 720p at 30 FPS. If you want to upgrade, that gives you as much resolution as your camera can handle, plus the frame rate that your camera can handle, which is brilliant. Um, you don't need to have a watermark, so by default it gives you the watermark over here, but you can literally just change it so that there's no watermark. It's literally just raw camera input, which is really nice. You have a lot of customizability options here, and yeah, that's about it. Um, yeah. So what you want to do is you want to head over to the Camo Studio website, which I've already got open right here. It gives you the option to download it for your phone. So like if you have an Android or an iOS phone, you can just download it from here, or you can download it on the App Store on Google Play. And you do also need the software on your PC, so you can get it on Windows systems and Mac OS systems. And yeah, that's about it. So once you've downloaded this, I'm just going to download it. I've already done it. Yep, just click OK if you're using Firefox. It'll give you some other warning or whatever. And it just takes you into the installation wizard. Now, usually it doesn't do this. It takes you to like an installation page. What you want to do is you want to just click next on most things, accepted license and everything else, and just select the installation folder that you want or leave it as you want, and then it'll just install it for you. And then at the end, you'll see like a little pop-up screen that says like finished installing. It asks you if you want to launch it when you click finish. If you click that and it clicks finish, you will hopefully be met with a setup screen that looks like this and like a little tour box over here. If you want, you can take the tour, but all you've got to do is just click here, connect your phone, which is what I'm using. You got to connect your phone to a USB cable if you want. You can also use Wi-Fi, but Wi-Fi is a little bit slower. You can use a USB cable from your phone to your PC, or from your PC to your phone rather, and you can connect the two, and you click device, you wait for your device to show up, you can click here, and yeah, you have all of these settings that you can use. You can do the filters, like there's a lot of effects that you can use, but I'm not showing my face, I only have like a hand cam. Yeah, but I have been using this for like months now. It's incredibly like stable. There's no like crashes or anything. It's incredibly like good. A good free option if you want it. You can, yeah, like I said, you can upgrade, but that's not necessary. Now, if you want to stream or record videos using it or talk to your friends using it and stuff, I'm going to show you how to do it on OBS first. So what you want to do on OBS, I've already got it set up. We can remove this for now. The hand cam's going to go away, obviously, but it's just to show what you can do. So you can just remove it. Boom, hand cam's gone. You can't see anything anymore. So what you want to do is, my layout might be a little different to yours, but you want to click this plus button here, and then you want to press a video capture device, and then create new. Make source visible. Make sure this is checked, otherwise you're not going to be able to see it in here. And then, yeah, you can select your device. I've already got Camo like set up perfectly. So you can select your device, you can select everything you want, you can make a custom resolution or FPS, although I would just leave it, so like, because Camo already decides that. You can change the color space, I wouldn't bother. Color range as well, you can change it to like limited and full. I don't really mess around with all of that. And that's about all you need to set it up. So it's pretty well integrated with OBS. Let me just move this down here. back to how it was. Good enough. Alright. So, Discord now. This is going to be a lot nicer because there's a lot of you that want to do like calls with your friends and you want to have like a little hand cam along the way. You can just open up Discord. You can click your profile thing. You can click voice and video. See, I've already got my settings like set up decently well. And yeah, your camera option should be like OBS virtual or Camo if you've got OBS open at the same time, that is. But you want to go ahead, click Camo, click test video. Discord for some reason like inverts it, so if you want to invert it in Camo, I'll show you how to do that now. You can just under framing, you can click this button here to invert it so it looks normal on Discord, which is good. Who switched this? But yeah, I'd like mine not inverted because I don't really use my webcam on Discord that much. I mostly use it for like content creation and streaming. But if you use it a lot on Discord, you can obviously invert it if you want. So you just click test video, see if it works. For me, it works. Yeah, you can have like all of these like settings and stuff, which is always nice. And that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video that I make. And I really hope this helped you find a better alternative to the rather expensive webcams out there that do a lot less for a lot